will make it easier. In Austrian German, the ERL sound typically replaces the standard German diminutive suffixes chen or lein. For example, Gläschen is a small glass in standard German, and Gläschen becomes Glaserl in Austrian German. Glaserl. The second example, Fläschchen is a small bottle in standard German and becomes Flascherl in Austrian German. Flascherl. Bächlein is a small stream or creek in standard German, and Bächlein becomes Bacherl in Austrian German. Bacherl. By adding L, Austrians create a word that feels smaller, cuter, and more familiar. Let's take a look at some examples